In this video, you are going to be learning how to create using free AI tool, how to create miniature cooking video ASMR using just like this, using free AI tool. These videos are blowing up on social media right from time and it's still blowing up till now. Look at this estimate. You can earn from $1,000 up to $18,000. Be depending on your viewers. And this particular cooking video has a very high RPM. Like it has RPM of about $1 to about $4, almost $5, which is a good one if you know. It is really a good one. This particular one, this particular niche is very amazing. I am going to be showing you how to do this using free AI tool. Welcome to another segment with Grace with Anyway I teach you free AI tools. I bring you free AI tools, give you niche, give you the ways to do it. I show you how to do it, and with consistency, you get to monetization. Kindly like, leave an amazing comment, subscribe. Subscription is free. When you subscribe, it changes me to do more. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. First things first, go to ChatGPT, type in miniature ASMR cooking content ideas. So this will guide you on the topic to pick. You could see it bringing miniature pizza, miniature cupcake, miniature lasagna, um, different type. You could see it mini cloud bread. Like you could cook anything, you can make anything, you could grill steak, pizza, sushi, cheeseburger, fried chicken, ramen, chocolate cake, miniature standard. Now go to the search bar and type in give me a full pizza recipe prompt for pizza recipe. So me, I will be going for pizza recipe, miniature pizza, because I had to scroll back to check it for. So give me a full prompt for a miniature pizza. Meanwhile, you can also use the mic button there, like I said, the button, the figure there on the search bar, so you can talk to it and wait for it to generate. So I'm just going to type. So sorry, it's a little slow. So give me a full prompt for me and miniature pizza recipe, and I'm going to give it. Now it gave me a prompt. Yes, reason why it's giving me a prompt because I've been looking for a master prompt. I'd requested for a master prompt earlier before decided to start this tutorial, and it gave me this master prompt, everything I needed. Yes, it gave me this, but you don't have to go through all of that. So I said using the above master prompt, and in case you want it, I can copy it and paste it for you. Just tell me I want. This is a beautiful niche you can start, and it is engaging. It has millions of views. Now using the above generate, I requested that you should generate me a prompt. You should give me a scene, step-by-step scene where on how to make a pizza. So this is what it gave me. It's still not giving me what I want. So I'm going to go back and type give me prompt. I keep requesting for a prompt instead of a script. Well, it will still give me the prompt though. So give me a prompt to generate image because I really want a step-by-step image. But you can skip this part because I don't know why my ChatGPT is doing anyhow. Maybe it's me that is doing anyhow. Maybe it's my prompt. I don't understand. So I requested that you should give me a prompt to generate each step. You know, he has given me a scene. So I wanted a prompt to generate each step, and this is what it came up with: ultra realistic miniature ASMR. Now this is the scene. It now broke it down into different simple scenes. So you can just go straight. Request for different topics you want to go into. When he gave you the topic, request pick your own, the one you want to, either cheeseburger or normal burger or lasagna, and just go straight. Request for step-by-step process, and also the next thing you're going to do is to request for image generation for the above step, after which you animate. So for mine, I am going to request for image prompt now. So since I have 15 scene, it means I am going to be needing 15 image prompts. I don't know if you understand. So I'm going to request that give me image prompt for the above scenes. So these are AI tools that you tend to give instruction they will follow. So when the instruction is not properly given, it will stress you. Yes, I did not properly give it the prompt. So that's why it keeps directing me the way it has been directing me. Now I have my actual prompt. Like this prompt, it's dope. Now you can see all my prompts, all the image prompts. So these are all the image prompts, and they are copyable because that was what I requested. So in one word, let me request for an animation prompt for it to be, so the only thing that is left is for me to generate my image, and the next part is for me to animate. So now I'm going to request for animation prompt. This is my image prompt. So the next thing is to request for an animation prompt for the above image. So you could see it there being typed. Yes, it's going to be a bit slow because I'm typing at the same time, so pardon me. So this is what it looks like. Gave me an ultra realistic me and with the actual. Now this is what it looks like. Yes, so it has given me my animation prompt. The next thing, we're going to go to our browser. We are going to be using our Flow AI, yes, to generate our image. We are going to be using Flow AI to generate the image. So you click on this first one, you sign in with Google. When you sign in with Google, it will take you to your Gmail account. So you select any Gmail of your choice and you log in. This is what the interface looks like. So after which you click on the arrow, you click on get started, you click on new project, and after which it will load and bring you here. Yes, so you click on start. When you click on start, you wait for it to load. Now this thing, when you click on this video 1x, now this is where you do your setting. Generation of image is free, but it's kind of limited, but it's free. So just click on this. I'm going to times 2 means 2 image, times 4 means 4 image. So it's going to generate. So I'm going to pick Nano Banana Pro. So you paste in your prompt. So this is my prompt that ChatGPT generated for me. So I'm going to wait for it to generate. Now, if you are yet to subscribe, leave an amazing comment. If you watch to this point, it means you are getting value from this video. Like I always say, subscription is free. When you subscribe, it motivates me to do more. I bring different AI tools, and I also bring you amazing niche, trending amazing niche. Now, this is what our images are looking like. Wow, this is beautiful, but I don't like it in uh 16:9. I prefers it in 9:16. Sorry, excuse me. 9:16. So I think I'm just going to adjust the aspect ratio. Since generating image is free, so I'm just going to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 instead of 16:9. So I'm going to paste in the prompt again. I'm going to paste in the prompt. You know, we are dealing with miniature now. You can leave this image like this with the chef appearing. Well, me, I really do not want my chef to appear. You can make yours different and want your chef to appear. So I think this is much more nicer this way. It's generating in 9:16 a portrait form. So I am going to click into zoom in. So I want to see if I can adjust. Now if you like it, it's okay for you, you can go ahead and download, but for me it's not okay. So I'm going to paste in my prompt. Now you can see in my description it stated that 2 to 3 chefs and all of that. Tiny chef. Me, I don't want tiny chef. I want um photography of a hand. So I'm just going to adjust my prompt. So the prompt, instead of me going back to my AI to reprompt and all of that, so as not to scatter my setting. So I'm just going to be removing anywhere chef appear and replace it with hand. So it's indicate that about 3 to 4 chef are making the pizza. So me, I only want and I'm going to send and wait for it to generate. Generating it doesn't take time, as you all know. Flow AI, it doesn't take time. It just become depend on your network and your location, and this is what it looks like. Wow, this is really beautiful. So the first step in making pizza is what? Turning your flour into a bowl, a baking bowl. This is beautiful. I love this. I really like this. So I'm going to download it in 1K. I mistakenly clicked on upscaling, so I cancel. So I just 1K is okay. So in this particular one, you will see me adjusting. The chefs appeared in front of my pizza. So I'm just going to type in and say it should remove the chef in front of my pizza, and I'm going to wait for it to download the video. And just like that, you could see like the images that's removed the chef. I'm going to download the image. But since if you're going to be animating with flow, you don't have to go ahead to download the image. Now this is what all by so this is what all my images looks like, the step by step, the dough, the pizza sauce, the tomato, the toppings, the cheese, the spread and all of that. You see this is looking beautiful already, right? This is looking so good. So the next thing we will be doing is to animate. So we're going to be copying our animation prompt. So we copy the first one. After copying, we go to our first image, which is the flower. So we have to animate it, we have to shake the hand, we have to make the hand move and all of that. So our first image, that's why I don't like downloading animating to image, picking to, you just be confused the image to pick because they are amazing. So you long press on the one you like, and you can see animation button there, you can see the animation display here. So you click on animate. So when you click on that, it will, you wait for it to take you to another like it's like a landing. I don't know if I'm correct using landing. Then I click on this to change in my description, which is now is not from video, it's image. So meanwhile it will be one, and I'm choosing video. I'm choosing normal video, which is the video light, which is 10 credit. 10 credit give me that beautiful video you're watching. So you can just minimize your credit and just manage and use 10 credit, then video light. Now the animation prompt also has the tiny hand and all of that, so I had to remove it and just indicate just only one, emphasis on tiny hand. And let's see what our video looks like. This is really nice. AI which stain your white, honestly. Because what's the point of that finger popping up in the middle? Well, it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll just go ahead and download it. I will use my editing app to cut that part out because I don't know why the finger is there trying to pull the floor out of the sack. This is really beautiful. So you can see that I've animated using the same process. I animated all of the other image. So I'm going to go to my CapCut. That's the editing app I'll be using to animate. So I'm going to click them and arrange them accordingly how a pizza is being made according to my recipe. My recipe might be different from your recipe. You might decide to skip step. That is why it's called my own recipe. Yes, it was generated by AI, but it's still my recipe. Now I'm looking at it, you're cutting some things. I like the way it moves. Look at the dough, the way it makes the dough. I like how the hands was penetrating inside the dough. Now you could see the tomato, cutting of the tomato and putting it there. Like this is really nice. See how beautiful our tomato sauce looks. Like this is really nice and amazing. So you could see AI doing it. Since what I did it was I forwarded it. I increased the speed because when you increase the speed, it reduced the slowness and everything and made it look nice. You will see the previous AI. You know, AI wants to stain your white. All you just have to do is to do cut and join for AI. And at the end of the day, you achieve this beautiful look. You export just like that. All this thing does not take long. You export. You don't need voiceover. If you like this video, subscribe. Enjoy. With consistency, get to monetization. Bye.